everybody. This is JulieB. Welcome to my channel. I'm outside today. Actually, it's this afternoon because it was hot earlier and I didn't feel like getting outside. So I'm going to be working on my backyard. It needs to be mown. I'll probably do that tomorrow. It needs to be weeded. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But I got some stuff I gotta get done. So, and I'm gonna do the porch first, because that's what needs to be done. So anyway, y'all hang on. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere else and we're gonna get this done. This blue thing, you'll have to ignore. That is the cat hotel. We have it set up for the cats during the winter time. We have cat trees back there and that's where they stay, and it's got to be put back up. Anyway, so we're going to do the back porch. I've got a grill that I'm going to bring out here, a smoker. I just have to get some stuff done. Hair's just pretty nasty back here. Hang on.
Cause I memorized your edges, yeah, you're right. waking in silence, the light in my eyes, barely surviving. It's making me feel I'm alone on this island, lost in the labyrinth. It's weighing me down, and all of the sirens are waiting forever. They drive me insane. No way. Every time I take a step, I get closer to the edge. But today, I don't care. I'm diving into the waves. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I can stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh, just know I'll never leave. It's time that I figured it out now, that I never run out of love. That every moment gonna be magic and it feels so electric. And I just can't help waking up with all I've ever wanted. This feeling got me low. Stay with me forever and drive me insane. 'Cause today, I don't care, I'm diving into the waves. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I can stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh, just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, and just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, I can stay for the rest of my life. My life, I could stay for the rest of my life. My life, I could stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I could stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh, just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, and just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, I could stay for the rest of my life.
I'm always gonna lift you up. I'm always gonna fill your cup. I'm always gonna be there for you. I'll always show support. I'll always open your door. I'll always make time for you. Always, always, always for you.
We got
Always make you laugh.
stickers.
I'll always check your map. I'll always look out for you. I'm always gonna take the heat. I'm always gonna save your seat. I'm always gonna keep it real with you. Always, always, always for you. Always means all the days. Even if things feel sideways. Thick or thin, it's not pretend. Got your back until the end. Even when the tide comes in and you're too tired, I can swim. I'm always gonna bake you bread. I'm always gonna keep you fed. I'm always gonna take care of you. I'll always be your biggest fan. I'll always lend you a hand. I'll always show up for you. Always, 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 in every way. I will love you.
We've been on and off, in and out, up and down too many times. Now it's time. Show me what you got. Some say that it's the little things, I say that it's a big old ring. Anything to hear you say I do. It ain't the way that you see me. It ain't the way that you kiss. It ain't the way that you please me. It's just the way that it is. The way that it is. Baby, you had me running blind. It's time for you and me, baby, to make up our minds. Some say that it's the little things, I say that it's a big old ring. Anything to hear you say I do. It ain't the way that you see me. It ain't the way that you kiss. It ain't the way that you please me. It's just the way that it is. The way that it is. Way that it is. It's just the way that it It ain't the way that you see me. It ain't the way that you kiss. It ain't the way that you please me. It's just the way that it is. The way that it is.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing never will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way. Show me a way to something.
Okay guys, I am done for the day. Mr. Bob and I worked fairly hard this afternoon. We've been busy all day long. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, and we will talk to you next time. See you, bye.